In early February, the Bank of Japan announced a policy of buying unlimited amounts of 10-year JGBs in order to cap yields at 0.25%. Now, this came at a time when the U.S. central bank was heading in the opposite direction and adopting tighter monetary policy. Now, strangely, the Japanese yen traded mostly sideways against the dollar for the remainder of February and even into early March, before heading significantly lower, losing 11.4% of its value against the dollar in just 6 weeks. Now, many analysts explain the delayed currency reaction as coinciding with ever-increasing amounts of bonds needed to buy in order to pin that level. So now the BOJ is faced with a dilemma. Either keep the 10-year yields low or support their currency to keep the plunge from getting out of hand. Now, in this video, we'll be looking at the CME Micro Dollar Yen Futures Contract. The pairing on this contract is unusual compared to other FX products at the CME, in that it's dollar versus yen as opposed to yen versus dollar, like in the CME Group standard and mini yen contracts. Now, the price in the micro contract is based on how many yen it costs to buy $1. So the price moving higher means more yen are required, a weaker yen. So if a trader believes that the decline in the yen will last as the BOJ continues buying bonds, they could buy that June CME Micro Yen Futures contract at a current level of 127.85 and target the 2002 highs of 135.50. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 122 even. A reminder, each 0.01 increment is 100 yen, currently about 78 cents. This trade would make $598 if your target is reached and risks $457 if you're stopped out at your level. Now, if a trader believes that the yen could bounce from here, perhaps in response to a BOJ pivot to some currency intervention, they could sell the June CME Micro Dollar Yen Futures contract at 127.85 and target a move to the April lows of 121.30. Now, a stop for this trade could be placed above at 131 even. This trade would make $512 if your target is reached and risks $246 if you're stopped out at your level.